This is question number 10, November 2011. Ratios. Samara was a sole trader. Revenue is given to us. Opening inventory is given to us. Purchases manga hai usne. First requirement A1, A2, purchases and expenses. The values we use is sales, the markup, opening inventory, purchases, in clothing inventory. इसके लिए बड़ा अनोखा सा मेरा एक नया फॉर्मूला है मार्कअप का S is equals to C into 1 plus I. If you have sales, if you have revenues, C is a cost of sale, I is a markup percentage, 25%. If we add in 1, it will become 1.25. I repeat, 25% become 25 upon 100, which is 0.25. इसको 1 में प्लस कर दो तो क्या बनेगा 1.25. मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है यहाँ आके डिवाइड हो जाएगा. So C will be 2 lakh divided by 1.25, which is our cost of sales. Cost of sales should be so it comes 1,60,000. Please confirm from your calculators. This is our cost of sale. But examiner asks for purchases. So equation of cost of sales, opening inventory, add purchases, less clothing inventory. Use this equation to calculate purchases. How, sir? Your purchases will become cost of sale minus opening plus closing. Now, use the values. Cost of sales 160, opening is 18, and closing is 36. Calculators do verify the answers. The purchase value should be, calculators, 160,000 minus 18,000 plus 36,000. It will become $178,000. Is it agreed? This is 1,78,000 your purchases. Next, examiner asks for expenses. First of all, for expenses, which values to be used? Number one, you need to use net profit to sales percentage, which is 6%, and the sales value. So the profit should be 6% of sales. Use the sales value of 2 lakhs. You will get the profit, which is 12,000. Yes, the profit is 12,000. And for gross profit is 40%, 25%. This formula we are using. Gross profit is 25% of sales. That is 25% of 200,000. It makes it 50,000 gross profit. So in order to calculate expenses, you need to subtract net profit from the gross profit. That is 50,000 minus 12,000. This will become your expenses. 38,000. This is how you get the missing figures. Important question. Good question. Nice working. Whenever you need, you have to put the final answer, use dollars. All right. This was requirement number A. A1, then A2. Now requirement number B is working capital or current ratio. The formula is current asset over current liabilities. Whereas for B2, the quick ratio formula is current asset minus inventory, clothing inventory of course, divided by current liabilities. I hope you can do it easily, inshallah ta'ala. You have the current assets, current liabilities, current liabilities. This is 60,000, 20, 36 and 24. And this is 50,000, 10 and 40. Calculate in ratio 60,000 divided by 50,000, 1.2:1. Whereas for quick ratio, you no need to take inventory, only 24,000 divided by 50,000. 24,000 divided by 50,000, 0.48:1. So you all are supposed to do it. Do it quickly, beta.